Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be talking about the benefits of physical activity. Regular physical activity is important for maintaining good health. It's not just about looking good, but it's also about feeling good. Let's dive into some of the benefits of physical activity. First benefits: physical activity improves cardiovascular health. It helps lower blood pressure, reduce the risk of heart disease, and improve circulation. This means you're less likely to develop cardiovascular diseases, and you'll have more energy to do the things you love. Second benefits: physical activity is great for weight management. It burns calories and increases your metabolism, helping you maintain a healthy weight. This is important because being overweight can increase the risk of developing many chronic diseases. Third benefits: physical activity improves strength and endurance. Regular exercise can help you perform daily activities with ease and reduce the risk of injury. It also helps you maintain a healthy body composition. Fourth benefits: physical activity improves your mood and reduces stress. Exercise releases endorphins, which are natural feel-good chemicals in the body. This helps to reduce stress levels and improve overall mental health. Fifth benefits: physical activity reduces the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, and some types of cancer. Regular exercise helps maintain a healthy body weight, blood sugar, and cholesterol levels, which all contribute to reducing the risk of these diseases. Sixth benefits: physical activity helps improve sleep quality and duration. Regular exercise can help you fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and have a better quality of sleep. Additionally, physical activity has been shown to improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of dementia and Alzheimer's disease. Lastly, benefits: physical activity improves overall quality of life. By improving physical and mental health, regular physical activity can improve your overall sense of well-being and self-esteem. And that's it for today's video on the benefits of physical activity. I hope this video has inspired you to incorporate physical activity into your daily routine. Don't forget to like and please subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.